The first step is to open the box and count the parts. First, assemble the two fixtures together and align them with the holes. Then insert the white screws into the holes and rotate. Done 3 to 5 times to achieve the pre-locking effect. Then screw the screws into the two holes on the left and right sides. Remove the white screws and take off the bracket, and the installation is completed. Step 2. Installation door lock. Step 3. Install the side window protecting hood. First, install the bracket for the side window cover. Place the side window cover on. Fix using 3M 6-plate bolts. Step 3. Install the soft top assembly. Installing the soft top requires the cooperation of 2 to 3 people to lift the soft top onto the vehicle body. Step 2. Use 6 and 8 hexagonal bolts to fix the assembly. Step 4. Connect the motor wiring harness. The wiring harness assembly passes through the opening switch wires do not need to pass through. Insert 30A power socket. Insert 50A power socket. The plugged-in state. The brake pedal signal line also passes through the gap. The white terminals of the main cable are connected to the white terminals of the brake pedal. The grounding terminal is inserted into the socket by passing it around the gap. The grounding terminal insertion hole requires screws to be fixed in the opening. The wiring harness assembly is connected to the ECU. After connection, place the ECU on the board and secure it with a cable tie. The fixed and completed state. The main power switch wire extends from the edge to the center console. First, a hole needs to be drilled at the switch position in the center console. The switch and the main line switch wire are connected together. Install in the central control console. Tie the excess wires together. Cover the lid. The brake signal line is connected to the vehicle body signal line. Move the main line from the edge to the rear seat. The main wiring harness is connected to the motor wiring harness. Insert it into the board circled in the picture after connecting. Step 5. Keep the soft top in a half-open position before installing the side and rear window glass. The window edge firmly. Pull the zipper up. Close the soft top and install the rear window glass. Pull the zipper up. After aligning the side windows with the rear windows, pull up the zippers. Final step. Complete the installation of the motor cover plate. The first installation requires an initialization operation. The soft top is in the closed position. Press the close button for a long time, and you will hear a long drip sound before it stops. At this point, you have successfully acquired an electric convertible Bronco, while mastering the electric soft top. And I hope it can bring you more than just poetry and distant places, and the longing for a better life.